You're my youth. You just walk through me gates, bro. You not even know if dog or bite you.
No, sir, country me I come from. True, me I come from country. Me say me stop a big go water because me I walk and me thirsty.
Oh, so which country you come from? That town this, you know?
St. Ann me come from, sir.
St. Ann's Bay?
Yes. No, sir, St. Ann. Near to Bob Marley, up at Alexandria, sir.
Oh, you mean up at 9 Mile where Bob Marley come from?
Yes.
So we are doing a town, bro. It's a town a dangerous place.
No, well, sir, when me take a step, me and my cousin will live down, so invite me in a town and he tell me about say me can't get work, and when I go around there, sir, it's like this is a man around there with some big something. Space all look
what you
like.
call big something? Big something like what? Well, is a car in my drive? What?
No, sir, it's not a car, sir. Something look like like a gun, like a police car, sir, on their waist.
A bad thing that for a young you come from country. So what you decide to do? How you reach through my gate? You tell about me.
Well, it's a man that tell me run on the road, yes, I say, well then, you have a man who live here, so deal with the youth. Help out youth name, Mr. Big Stone, so me just come to find out, sir. Are you name Mr. Big Stone, sir?
So them call me still and my right name is
That
Clark
means you're the
Sinclair.
right man, Mr. Clark Sinclair.
Yes, sir. Clark Sinclair, yes. But them call me Big Stone.
My name is Country, sir.
Country them call you?
Yes, sir, them call me Country.
But when you go for your work, you can't use country because country could be anybody. So you don't have a name.
Well, you could call me Hubert, sir.
Hubert.
Yes,
alright,
sir.
Hubert. I can tell you a little bit about town.
Yes, sir.
Hold on, my phone rings so. Marina man line, get online right now. Talking to this boy, will just push me guard gate. I don't know where him come from. Him just jump on the thing and push me yard gate. So as soon as 1 minute time you get online, I will talk to you about it. I just give my advice. Yeah? Yeah, sorry about that. But here I go on now. Let me tell you how country. Country, let me tell you how town now. Right? Town is a serious place. If you don't know nobody, if you don't mind your own business, you're going to end up dead or end up in a body bag.
Dead, sir?
Oh, you mean dead?
Me no want dead, sir. Me no want dead. Better me go back home to mama, sir.
Alright, listen to me now.
Yes, sir.
You have no money?
No, sir. Me don't have money this month. I'm take it and buy a bulla.
Alright, this is a man who has done some work. I'm a good friend. I have him sell them. I can write it down.
Yeah. But me not cell phone, sir. Me never see them as something yet, sir. Me don't know how to use.
You don't know what a cell phone look like, country?
No, sir.
Which
part me come from country, sir? Them not have them as something.
Which part you come from? Just the center about what? In bush?
Yes, sir, in bush part.
Jesus Christ, I don't know what's going on in this land. Youth and youth never have a chance. Youth have suffer. See, how old is man?
Me near 40, sir.
You near 40?
Yes, sir.
And you never see a cell phone yet?
But I want till a second time I come to town.
A second time you come to town?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you can't make it at town. Town is not for you.
I beg you please, sir, because my country hard. Me can't take
you better go back and country, bro.
No, sir, but me say man we come in and say them do DJ business, sir, and say singing and then
you can DJ?
TV. Me do little DJ now and again, sir.
Draw a note, make me hear.
So me kinda hungry, sir, and you never did give me the water, that's why. But probably you give me the water, so I can do some.
Alright, here I again do.
Yes, sir.
I can get you a glass of water.
Yes, sir.
And when I come back,
yes,
I want you to take your Mara Watts out of my place. You hear me? Because guess what? Listen to me carefully. Anytime you come to anybody yard, you knock first. I'm a disciplinarian. I will teach you everything you want to know, but you have to be disciplined. There's 3 D's that you must follow. Dedication, discipline, and determination. And last but not least, country, desire. So once you have discipline, knock at the gate before you come. See? And if I want you to come in my yard, I will say, alright, come. But you can't just come in my yard, so I didn't even knock at the gate.
Well, no, that me know, sir. I'm going to ask you a question, sir. Just because I don't know if you have any little place around at the back where I can stay till tomorrow.
Lord Jesus, he come through the gate, he want a glass of water, he want me look work for you.
Well, I don't want to go back round, sir. I don't want to go back round, sir, because with them I go around, sir, I don't know them something with them I go around.
True, alright, alright.
They put the big something for me and tell me, say, if I go and go rock the club out there, sir. So
Jesus, no, the last time, I remember when Trevor Goon spooned the girl on there. And Charlie B gave him the thing, and Chuma come from country just like you, the police mash him up.
Yes,
sorry for the youth. Alright, here we go. Now what think about your case as a special case?
I want to stay months, you, sir, for you are a good man, sir. From me look for you, I say you are a good man.
Alright, country, here we go.
Yes, sir.
We're going to arrange up a little thing for you, and I'm making a promise.
Yes, sir.
Because you don't know a whole of youth like you be doing on a day by day basis, and I can't carry everybody. See, but I know the man up the road will give out some work. I have him cell number and call him and I can recommend him to you.
Yes,
alright?
Yes,
I want you to take care of yourself.
Yes, sir.
You don't want you get no water. Go on.
Alright, sir.
You don't know Boy, get fit for 2012. Look on them breed that thing at Joshy.
Yeah, man. That one that nice, my boss.
Yeah, man, we can, yeah, you know what I say? You see, like how me a old boy, you know, I want to really get some of them exercise equipment here and get fit for 2012.
Yes, sir. In a space of no time, I'm supposed to muscular.
Yes, me I tell you, Jamaica Jazz Festival big this year. Look here,
Go on, man.
Richie Steve and gentlemen, the you know.
Yes, sir.
Temptation them. Boy, but Celine Dion and my girl. I always fantasize about Celine. We are tell you.
Yeah, the woman them, brother.
Wait, hold on there. Look here.
You Usain Bolt.
Usain Bolt make it again. And that may I talk about our youth them. Especially the one who come from country. Me I tell you, the one who come from country shot. Because guess what? Them have ambition, them talented, and them want the best out of them life.
For real, man.
Hold on there. Joshie, who that?
The country, man.
Country! Come here, man! Come on, country! Lord Jesus! Hey, but country look like him make a money either.
The man shot, man.
Yeah,
man. Sell off, man.
Country walk. Wait, country walk. Country walk, walk.
Yo, what go on, sir?
Jesus, country, I'm glad to see you.
Yeah, man, I buy my phone, so I up on my phone and talk to my grandmother in our country and all them things.
Boy, country, me not telling you that shoes the shot, see?
Yeah, man, them things you're wearing, man.
I mean,
star boy like KD Night, man.
Come on!
Yeah, man, star boy like KD Night, man.
And some want the thing sell up.
Man. Some look. Yeah, you have it now, dog.
You're shot.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Bounty Killer, Mavado, and Shag and all them, man. Let me see how they them.
So, country, how the work I treat you?
I want to tell you, boy, the work there. Come on away, father. I tell you the truth. I want to tell you. I make a money, so I come to buy you a Guinness.
You make a money?
Yeah, man, make a money.
You really never have to buy me no drink and I do it from my heart still, you know, because you don't know we love to see the youth rise up, you know.
One thing.
What?
Remember, you see the youth them up there, man. I want to tell you, one of the youth, a big fat youth, them call him Laba Laba.
Laba Laba?
Yeah, man.
I know him, man.
He send me
to
go shop, and when he send me go shop, he give me $50 to buy a crate of Guinness, buy a Whistler, and buy a cigarette, and buy a herb.
Oh, if you buy with $50, or if you buy all them things there?
Yeah, man, and that thing give me, man, and tell me, say, boy, go shop, and I want to tell you, say...
So you get through with everything?
Yeah, because I don't have money, so I just put it and
you clear up the thing?
Clear up everything.
So, how do I treat you up there on the side?
When them treat me bad, man, a boy fling all the market bucket off me, man.
A cement bucket?
Yeah, a cement bucket, man. And mash me up with mart and then fling all black off of me and box me up and keep me. You know, don't know.
Yeah, all the face still.
Now see me get a remember everything what you say now.
Yes.
Country come to town and remember all them things.
Yes, so you have it. Yes, we love how you have it.
Why you look and next work for me.
Never get a work for you.
Move from the location and know say boy, I have a different work.
So
you understand, Mr. Big Stone?
Yeah, so country, come here. You send the money out of the money. Go to country with your mama.
Yeah, man, I send her money, man. I send her 500. I say, I have my phone now, man. I have my phone now.
Country, you spend off all the money. You spend off all the money on phone. You send her money to get. You send her money to give mama.
Send her money, man. $1,500 I pay for my phone.
Then that no shot, man. That can work with it until you read.
Yes, I go and work with.
Yeah, man, that can work until you read.
Work with a phone.
BB thing them come now and
I go and work with a phone. I love that phone, you know. Mr. Big Stone.
So who else to send money go give?
I send her money go give my daughter too.
Yeah, but yes.
Vanessa.
Take care of Vanessa.
Send her money go give Vanessa because you don't know my daughter and my baby man too.
Okay.
Good thing recharge. See you there.
Where you live now? Because me know Mr. Benjamin they get a room on the forward there. See? You know what a cockroach run and rat.
Franklin Town.
Bigger thing I go
residential area, man. Franklin Town.
Oh boy.
Big things are going on now. Franklin Town. You know, can't see how I look, Mr. Big Stone, man.
You did that tell me, you know. You did that tell me when you come the other day.
Man. Things are going for me now.
You did that tell me when you come the other day. So you have a talent and you can DJ. Can remember the 28th of January, Big Stone. Having big massive thing down at one.
You know, so I see it on the poster, but the poster they turn upside down.
How you read it?
Me just see the big, so I say, well, then I must miss a Big Stone that day.
Only one Big Stone.
For a big business, I must miss a Big Stone.
So you say you want to come into the competition?
What you mean? Money depon it.
What you mean money depon?
Come on, money for selling.
First prize is $25,000.
20 who?
$25,000.
From the day me born, me never see that Mr. Big Stone.
Well, alright, if you win, you get $25,000 cash. You get a video recorded by Firestone Video, and you get a record deal from Big Stone Record Production.
Yeah.
And if you come number second, because you know the number 2 stay at Jamaica, If you come number second, you get $15,000 plus a weekend in one of them Bulululus hotel.
Hotel, sir?
Oh, you mean hotel?
You know that I want.
Swimming pool and a nice room-to-room service and all them something there.
You know, me and Ruby can't log in now. My baby mother Ruby can't log in now.
Like how you remember the people in Pop.
Yeah, man, I now forget my baby mother, man. Ruby,
right.
man.
And the third prize. One like before you tell me, the third prize.
Cool.
The third prize is $10,000 and a gift basket courtesy of Big Stone Records. What you want to tell me say now? You
hear me I say now? You see the hotel business, and make you get all a 3 night down there, me and Ruby, because you remember say she used to go on, because nothing on go on.
Yeah.
But first I call me Star Boy, I look like Bounty Killer them now. And I step out, you understand? Step out and she could have, and we can spend a 1-2 night down there.
Yeah, but that has after you win the competition, you can't drop the government tell you, country.
I not think you say you can give me a money now, sir.
No, me not give no money now. I say if you win the competition.
So tell me what me have to do now.
All you have to do is make sure your lyrical contents and clean.
Lyrical like how?
Make sure you're clean. When you go up and say you're not
clean. You make a big stone, man. What do you mean about me not clean?
Me not talk about
clothes.
Yeah, me talk about how you look. How you look good enough.
You just me clean.
Me know you're clean. Me know you're clean, but the contents have to clean.
Show me a rasta, that's why you call me say me not clean.
No, but how you want to
man, no, man.
No, me not. This is a country.
Come out, brethren.
Country have an attitude problem. I keep talking to you about your attitude problem. You have to have discipline, country.
In a brand new clothes, them ever go buy, man.
Country, calm down, calm down, calm down. Don't be irate.
People see me and I say, Mavado. I mean, I said, no, I'm Mavado, this is a country, this.
Boy, I mean, you have a following already. Things can go on for you in a country, but you have to just listen to me. You can't get swelled in a rasta.
Right, talk me here,
Kingston City, Mark, how you know?
To you, you know,
yeah, man, me mark, me tell you in a country.
Clean, you know.
And enough of young youth like you, me tell you, even though you're 40, you know. Yeah, but me talk to you like come talk to the son.
And when you come tell me, say, boy, me feel clean, and me know, say, me beard and look how me look.
Look, me you look.
Star boy.
Yeah, you're star, you're shot. You're
shot. Look, and you come tell me, say, me not clean.
Anyway, I want to hear if you have any farmer talent. Because the other day I DJ something for me. And I pay. Give me something, my
full of talent, man. Most time I have some talent. Me say, I'm in him country, I'm in him country. Yeah, I'm in him country, I'm in him country. Yeah. Anytime you see me say, I'm in him country, I'm Big Stone in the country. I'm in him country, I'm in him country. Hey, hey. I'm in him country, I'm in him country. Hey, hey. What you say about that one there?
That one that sounds good enough. You just want to fix it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Put a little bit more edge on the thing. Yeah. And you can win the first
and
prize.
I can buy some more clothes.
Boy, country, just buy your shop there. We really shop and buy them.
Downtown?
Which part downtown?
Mean? Old Brooklyn.
Old Brooklyn? You know, so I don't want a pair of shoes from Old Brooklyn, but I never want nobody see me go on the tune.
No worry yourself, Mr. Big Stone. Man, anything. Me have money, man. You can buy him anything you want. You don't have to give me no money.
Country.
Yes, sir.
I want you leave with this. Because I'm working on your career. I want you shot like how Turbulence a future shot. I want you shot like how Nesbeth shot. Warrior King, DYC, all of the
my artists, them, man.
Alright, just listen to me now carefully.
Yes,
go home. Practice the 4 Ds and when I tell you discipline, dedication, determination, because you seem to have a little attitude problem.
So we come check him, Mr. Big Stone, you send me home, sir.
You see, you send me home.
Wow, don't like in a warm around you, man.
No, it's not. That is not.
Come like you have bad mind in us, sir.
No, me never bad mind.
Clean,
country not supposed to say these things.
So me clean, sir?
No, me for
you run me and tell me say my bad mind. First thing you come tell me about me for clean.
Country have an attitude problem, I tell you where for work.
No, you run me home, sir. Me come check you, come buy a liquor.
Alright, tell you what,
country. I
have other things to deal with right now. You have a telephone number for the new phone we have there?
Yes, sir.
Give me the number there.
45679.
45679. Alright, tell you what. Again, deal with what I have to deal with. I have to leave. Take care of yourself, country, and stay out of trouble.
Yes, sir.
Boy, me I tell you, boy, them country boy there. Them country boy, they're easy, you know, man. Imagine him come to town and I try to save him life, you know. Him not even not listen to a word with Big Stone and say every time he says something, him forcing the conversation. Watch him walk down the road. Just take a look at him and walk down the road. I wonder what is going to become of him. I wonder. Country, take care. I wonder what is ever going to become of you.
Walk on the sidewalk.
Walk on the sidewalk. Come out on the road. All right, country, all right. Why, I tell you, Josh, what do you think? You feel him
it's stiff, it's stiff, it's stiff. It's stiff, my boss.
Wow, we have to try our best with them. Yeah. Nice seeing them. There are some things we all look about, you know.
Right,
take them out here, Charles.
Thanks.
Alright. Your country, you look so, man.
Boy, I tell you the truth, God love. I'm mourning.
Mourning for what? What go on? Tell me what.
Your beloved sister.
Your mother dead? Your sister?
No.
Which one?
Whitney. She called me at least 3:45. Saturday evening.
Yes.
She called me over and she said, Hubert, how you doing? I said, tell me who is this calling my phone like that? She said, come on, it's been a long time you don't even heard from me. Whitney. I said, Whitney, oh my good God, is you?
Yeah.
I said, what's up with you now? She said, well, she not doing all this good.
Yeah.
I said, what goes down? Talk to me, because I'm a person you can talk to. She let me know that she not feeling so well. She feeling somewhere strange, as if she not gonna make it. Me say, you mean not gonna make it? April, you say that you're coming down here, so you're trying to, what you're disappointing me? She said she feel like she want to move on to the next level. So I said, what next level move on? Where Michael Jackson is. Me say, no, this sound like that. And trust me, I was there talking to her. I was there talking to her, giving her encouragement, and she was telling me about Bobby. And I said, alright, don't worry about Bobby, because we will take care of Bobby, but what I'm most concerned is our little daughter. And at this time, I said, well, anything goes bad, then we make sure that we're there for your daughter, and trust me. Just like a knockout, I don't hear anything from that.
So the news said she died at 3:55 p.m. The
police called my phone after.
Yeah.
And said, look here, you was the last person that hold a conversation with Whitney. I said, yes, at 3:45 she called me up. And afterwards she were telling me about some things, what goes down and blah, blah, blah.
So, countryman, let me ask you a question. You have anything to do with that?
No.
You sure it's not you do anything to
I don't have anything to do with that.
The world would have you seriously responsible, you know.
The most important thing, what I have to do is Whitney.
I feel you know something though, man.
It's just my strong feelings of loving her, and she loved me just the same.
Yeah, but I feel you know something, man, because you couldn't just get a call, so all of a sudden she not call her this long time.
Yeah, you see, she don't call me this long time, but she just feel like, so probably she know that she is going to travel, so she just called to give me the last word.
She tell her where her money there? How much
no,
money
she don't tell her much money, where her money is, but I think I have a strange feelings about what is.
You know, she value billions of dollars. I wonder if that them kill her for, because you know Whitney Houston is the #1
but
female
the only
black singer.
person could get that billions is me.
Oh, you forget it? You have lead to her?
Because my good friend, she said whenever anything goes wrong or anything happen, must be me. So I'm in the best position to have the millions, not in her daughter. That's why she tell me, say, if anything goes wrong with her, then we must take care of that and bring her come our country.
What you feel about her ex-husband, the boy Bobby Brown?
Him?
Him a fuck hour, tell me.
I don't even want to get into that.
Why? Because the world vexed with him, you know, say him have something to do with it, you know.
Well, that is the world. Me is just one out of the world. Right, and he's just one out of the world. I already tell Whitney, already advise her, tell him move on with her life and all these things. She did have a new boyfriend, you know.
She have a new boyfriend?
So you don't hear about the new boyfriend. The new boyfriend would have something to do with it too. Because you remember say €1 million man have a whole heap of millions where people want.
That is true.
So you don't talk about that. Want to the millions. You understand? Boy, the way I feel it over, do I cry because I can't.
No, nobody cry, wash it. No.
I can't listen. Take it no more, man. Me feel it bad, you know, sir.
Oh, my God.
Me feel it, man. Me feel it bad. Me feel it for Whitney, man. Me feel it for Whitney, you know. Yes, when Whitney I met me go Western Union.
How much money she send for them time, though?
She not send less than $3,000 US. £3,000. And the money she sent for me, the last time she sent money for me is $500,000 US. Lord, me don't know me guy management. Me don't know me guy manage again because from Whitney gone now, me don't know me guy manage. Me have to go just go take the picnic them and say me can't. Boy, me have to go. Me need people to follow me go up at the place because me can't take it. Me feel me guy dead too, you know, sir. Me can't take it no more.
No matter kill yourself, man, because me not carry on and do.
Me not kill myself. Me not go kill myself. If me get the whole of the money where she dead left, me not go kill myself.
Who you think I going to take on over from Whitney now? Because you know she was the #1 female black singer of all time. Who you think now will take over her position? If anybody out there.
Must be Jay-Z girlfriend, Beyonce.
Beyonce?
Yes, Beyonce are the right girl right now. If we go lead up. Can't compare with her anyway because she not class by herself, but strong black woman right now, me I care right now.
Beyonce.
So told you I just she miss right now.
So what you want to say to the rest of the world now? Like how you
well, I'm just telling the rest of the world, say, only just stay strong and stay focused and be good because everybody know in the midst of life there is death and our dear beloved sister pass off, but not forever. Yet so far, but yet so near, because she's the heart of many.
Yes. And her music live on.
Music lives on.
Which one are tune are your favorite Whitney Houston?
Okay. I wanna know if she still love me. And I don't know, something like that. I don't remember. This each time I hear this song, I feel like crying, sir. Feel like
why is a sad thing for the whole world?
Sad thing for the whole world. We don't know how we're going to manage it. We don't know how we're going to manage it, but we have to keep, somebody have to stay strong.
Yes, and that is so, you.
That is me, come here, I have to go bury her.
Yeah, but we all, but the money which she have, look, you know the money the last time you check with you, you're broke. So how you go? Where you get money from?
She set up a little funds for me, man.
Oh, you have a little thing hide
with? A little thing hide with me.
You have a little thing hide with?
No, she hide have a little thing for me. So I have a little book and them thing. So I just go up there and her mother just give me the bank book so I can my own little bank book where me and her did have a little thing. Me that him should tell him something. But true, he's a good friend of mine, me just make you know. I don't want the one Bobby hear this. Because probably would have come kill me to fees we say it's millions. Well, walk good. Me will see you and I will come back and tell you exactly what I go on with Whitney.
How the funeral will go before you go? She needs to be buried like a queen, you know, because she is, you know.
We're going to give her a state funeral.
A state funeral?
That's right.
With wolf and horse and...
Everything will be there. And our night going to be the 25th of this month.
Alright.
Yes.
What good?
We talk some more. Me chat to you some more. Or me talk to you some more. Or I spoke with you on the next series.
Good to be on the river side. Oh yes now.
We can run nice and smooth. Everything turn up in this country. The country are beautiful enough. Everybody want to live from all over the world and come to Jamaica.
Country now you want to go for it, you know, go bury your wife.
You know, some man tell me say country get some money from Whitney, but you know, some never really believe that true. You want to bury her? Me have to say this, if country, boy, if country say you want to bury Whitney Houston, we have to say this.
I have to see, but I was there. That's why I'm there.
Well, I don't know what's wrong with these young people, especially when they come from country. You see when they come from country, they is the most stupidest person on the face of the earth. No, how come he won't find himself if he don't give him the visa? He can't get the visa to America. You see with the passport?
Yeah.
He gone global for true. But you see if anything was to do, can Whitney Houston send money come give it to Jamaica, £3,000.
But from what the IC country moving like him cashing?
He moving like him cashing for
true. Yes man.
Well, I don't know, but I think something will come out of this, but hold on there. No country that. Why you don't like it, man? You don't like a million. Country, where you going? Where you going?
Going to New Jersey.
New Jersey for what? 1 hour.
Get the last shoot.
Why country you look good? Me not tell you that. Where you get that jacket and tie the brethren?
Buy away in Canada. Shopping buy away in Canada.
If I laugh, I drop down and dead. Country. Why you think global?
There, man.
You can't believe it. Your boss.
Now fly out.
Where you go?
Now go New Jersey.
New Jersey? Or the one out country? Federal. Now go with Federal.
That's right.
Country, but between me and you, the rumor have it on the street. Say you have a whole ton load of money. Did the money come through from Whitney?
going to get the money from Whitney. And we're not interested to talk about the money from Whitney. What really most of all is the funeral that I'm supposed to attend. And I'm running out of time.
Oh my God. So country, tell me, who you decide to meet when you go to New Jersey?
Well, I decide to meet with Whitney families.
Who else?
And I guess the President Barack Obama.
President Barack Obama? Country, you're going to meet the president?
Supposed to you, the president.
Boy, may I tell you things turn up for you?
Give me one.
But the phone I ring down, but wait, what's your phone?
Hello? Yes. Oh, Mr. Baraka, yes sir. I'm on my way, but I just waiting to see if I can get a taxi. I just waiting to see if I can get a taxi. I'm looking for a taxi, but I'll be back. I will be up there in no time. Yes. Yes man, it's a great sad story about Whitney, because Whitney been loved by everybody throughout the whole world. I must tell you, say, oh, Miss Whitney must be me. It's more than missing Whitney. Yeah man, it's more than missing Whitney. Yes sir. Okay. So anyway, I will be back in no time, so you can say hi to your wife for me. Yes, I will check you man. I'm making sure that I will meet you at the White House.
Okay. So all of the country tell me, a president of the United States that did attack the while ago?
President of America.
Honorable Barack Obama.
That's right.
What the thing turn up, you can't believe it. The country. But wait, my trouble upon a shot when I tell the lie. You look like star boy.
Whitney by me.
Whitney by you that? So country, tell me something now between me and you. The rumor has been having, right? That you have the visa and everything set to go to New Jersey Saturday.
Yes.
What you have in the bag there?
Well, just some more things. We have a couple mangoes for sissy, because it's the like mango and have breadfruit and 2 akis.
Right.
So and a quarter rum.
You have a quarter?
That is what I have for city.
Oh, that's what you carry for sissy?
This is what I carry for city.
Why, I tell you the truth. I'm glad to see you stepping
but I'm running out of time.
What you want? You want a taxi? Look to see if we can get a taxi. Oh, hold on. No, I'm not going to want to carry. I'm not going to see a taxi there. Taxi, come here! Come here!
You must reach if it's even for walk.
You're not
I'm right for a car.
You can't stay there. If you don't have the money, you can't go to the funeral. That man I tell you. And money run this round and thing, yeah. And make sure you have your money for touch the plane.
When you hear about a Whitney dead left, give me through that to not come tell me. I don't have no whole for money.
Dead left, give you a blood clot. Not even Bobby get nothing. You are who? I come to you. Where from you, sir? Money.
But you see, the people them get upset, brethren. Everybody jealous over you because of this love affair you have with me, you know.
Yeah.
Everybody jealous
and
over
show
you.
them hear about the millions that should dead left, them want to kill me. I like a nasty taxi boy. Guy look for me and hear me say me I go and him come tell me about him going to charge me.
Alright, I see a taxi up the road with me sure getting carry on. And this man not going to charge you no worth of money. Get me! Come in! Watch again, that taxi man that running smooth.
At the right man, Rastafari.
Rastafari.
Rastafari. It's the right man that Rasta know for deal with people. Respect Rasta. Yeah, where?
Yes, sir.
I want to reach a airport.
25,000.
25 who? Tell me something, what you hear about?
Yes, sir. You get the one with the legacy.
You come back with that legacy business with Whitney?
Yes, sir.
Bad mind, and Rasta man a bad mind.
You see, it's a chart and we just get to know. So, talk up what you're doing.
Alright, Rasta, nevertheless.
Talk what you're doing.
Do better than that. 25 sound.
Take it or left it.
No, leave it.
You know, leave
25 sound.
15 for you and 10 for your luggage. 10,000 for you and your luggage. 15 for you and 10 for your luggage.
You take check?
No, sir, I don't take bounce check, sir.
My check don't bounce.
I don't know. I don't take no chance. I don't know if it bounce. I not take no chance. cash with you.
Give me a reasonable price, more than that.
I'm nothing better. I should have tell you 30, you know.
You resemble my cousin Bob Marley. You resemble my cousin Bob Marley, you know.
Yeah.
He's from St. Ann?
No, sir.
He's from where?
Never hear about them the place. Kingston I come from, sir.
Oh, is that Kingstonian?
Kingstonian, brother.
Kingstonian Rastafari?
Yes, sir. Look how you look, man.
How me look?
Look like money a joke.
Bad mind. Bad mind. You hold on and prick power with the dead left, give me.
No, man.
Anyway, country.
But anyway, I have to go move now.
I have to tell them country, I wish you all the best for your
Man, I call you when I reach up.
Call me when you reach up and make sure you say hello to Sissy for me and the rest of the family.
I will tell them.
Alright.
And I will do that favorite dance with Sissy as soon as I go.
I want to dance with somebody.
Yeah,
I really want to dance with somebody.
You sit down flat in my car doing it.
Alright,
My
country.
car no real and everything, yeah. Good.
Have a safe flight, country. Take care of yourself.
Alright, I call you when I reach. I call you when I reach. Take care of yourself.
Alright, country.
Say how to them pretty for me.
Alright, I will. Bye-bye, country.
Not because the man them here so with the dead left a bag of money give me. Everybody want to feel this well them want. Some man drive up to some of the power. With the power, you know. Because the whole army just takes it for my money.
You decide to pay the 25,000.
The money is no problem, all you have to do is drive up, man. Drive up, man. Drive up, man. I don't want late, you know. The president of America is waiting on me. I don't want late, just drive up, man. Drive up, drive up, drive up, drive up. Drive up, man. All Jamaican think about this money. From them here say you have a link with somebody. Alright, my friend, me call you when you rich. All enough with it. I'm gonna make people a walk and a laugh and a do all kind of things off and me a go up my business. Drive up, man. But trust me, Whitney girl, may your soul rest in peace because me coming. Cost me $25,000 to come at the airport, but no problem. Because when I come on for a woman like you are the greatest of all time. Nobody like Whitney Houston. I mean, have to reach a funeral today. And that me say, drive up, man, drive up. Man, they pan here, so man, they pan over there. You can't freak pan with this. Don't fret about anything.
Rise up in the morning before the morning sun. Catch a body for no need they come. My empress will be over anytime now. I'm eager to be older in my side. Immaculately dressed, she's one of the beside. Silhouette, she's shining so divine. Love don't come Sinatria. I know you understand the love is from my body. In the money, she's the one from Sicapia. She's the one for me. If you want loving, don't come Sinatria. I know you understand the love is from my body. In the money, she's the one from Sicapia. She have me money tea. If she want loving, don't come Sinatria.
My name is Claude Sinclair, but everybody call me Big Stone. Now I am the originator of the series Country Come to Town. We just want to let everybody know that what we did with the Whitney Houston situation was no way, in any way, shape or form to offend the family or families of Whitney Houston. Myself grew up on the beautiful melodious music of Whitney Houston. I've seen her great achievements, even to the one when she sang the American national anthem at the Super Bowl. I know Whitney Houston was a gem when I first heard her in the early 80s. All I'm saying from we here at Big Stone Records is to the family, Sissy Houston, Diane Warwick, Christina, Bobby, and the rest of the family, just hold forth. We in Jamaica support you, we in Jamaica sympathize with you, and we thought a little humor in just showing how an half-idiot like country is emotional, long-distance love for such an international superstar of a woman. This is just our way of saying Whitney Houston, Whitney Elizabeth Houston, we love you from the depths of our heart. And we know that your music cannot be taken away from us. Your music will live on forever in our hearts. So Whitney, sweet dreams, my dear. No matter what pain and peril that you were going through, you're now released from that and you're there with the Almighty God. The Almighty God does not give no man more than he can bear and manage. Whitney, may your soul eternally rest in peace forever and evermore. From us here at Big Stone Records, coming to you from Troy's resident all the way in a Bower Bank. Big Stone, so we love you, Whitney. Love you, Whitney. Take care. Mwah.
Good to be on the river side. Oh yes now. Rise up this morning before the early sun. Got to catch a bomb before the midday come. My empress will be over anytime now. I'm eager to be older in my side. Immaculately dressed, she's royal every time. Irresistible empress, she's so divine. Loving, run comes in Antia. She said she rather take the loving from a bachelor. In the morning she said run come see Capia. She's the one for me. When she want loving, run come see Natia. She said she rather take the loving from a bachelor. In the morning she said run come see Capia. She's the one for me. Yeah, yeah, she know I'm enough man after. We walk around like them a slave master. She don't want no thief, no liar, no crafter. We run a life to disaster. If you want loving, run come see Natia. I know you're on to take the loving from a bachelor. The in the morning she said run come see Capia. She's the one.
He's a great youth, you know. I know what you do. Why you just take up that thing, and why you just do that thing. Yes, when you do that thing, you're going sweet with that thing. Can you see that thing, yeah? We love that thing, yeah. And we don't stop talking about that thing, you know. Can you see you? We want you up on the bus. And you see the bus, you must come bus. And you see when your bus, can't leave the bus. Because the bus is the bus and your name must bus.
Mad. But what me I tell him say though, yo, because I see from when me I drink cornmeal porridge, me love cornmeal porridge and my favorite food that. But one day I boil some cornmeal porridge and I never done drink it. So I left liquor for in the morning. You get what I say? So I'm going to hot up the cornmeal porridge and go touch your road.
Hold on, I'm going to put on my glass.
Yeah.
Can you see you now? You see, true, I never have had my glass. That's why I couldn't hear what you're saying.
Yeah, me say.
Now that I put on my glass, tell me what you say.
Yeah, me say.
I want to hear what you say.
I go hot up the cornmeal porridge in the morning and go touch the road and depart one of the big bus them. And my belly start to make some noise. But through the bus I don't make noise, people in the bus not to hear, but me I hear it. So I start hold on and I squeeze. Every time the bus turn, me squeeze with it.
Oh, you mean your belly I make nice?
Yeah, but you know.
And it sound like the bus I make nice.
Yeah, but it was relief the porridge out of me.
Your belly was relief?
Yeah.
Oh,
so I have to squeeze that turn with the bus when the bus a turn. You get what I say? If me don't do that, you don't know you got
Oh, so you mean
porridge up the
bus. You porridge up the bus and I love what you're saying and I love what you're going on. So you hear the man's a big stone.
Yeah.
Anyhow, him ever drinking porridge first and go up on the bus. Then him say him body that get nervous. So
I say right now, how much are we smoke that weed there?
Around 4 are we?
Chia man. Me, myself and I.
Chia we a smoke weed, Chia we a get high. Don't say Chia we alone, me, myself and I. One man to a spliff, cause me nah kiss no guy. Oh, if you want suck off my spit off of my spliff tail, I look how me spliff tail wet up. Him still ask me for give him. You know see that boy the funny. I suck must do him. Me nah this no man, but listen to me keen enough man. A bow cat and a flex innocent. See? One man to a spliff pass. One man to a cigarette. Although me no smoke that show. One man to a be the two. Old people alone. Me know you used to smoke tobacco. One.
So why you take with my girl and you say one man to a spliff, so one man to a girl? Me no hear nothing about that.
One man to a...
You take with my girl, you know? A one man to a girl,
you forgot say ya me say Charmian, Lorraine and Natalia, Arlene, Pauline and Patricia, Colleen, Claudine and Nicola, Icy, Jicey and Shakira, Joan, Julie come
no
after.
Man, June,
Janet,
you can't call June, that's my girl that man. See, big story me I tell you how that man has stay man. You see Myers, the man take with my girl and come put my girl in a thing in a, I go you see you. I can't tell you.
You know why?
See, next time you try to take with my girl.
That one a name. That one a name. That one a name, Choman. Lyrics me use take away your woman. Spin up on the rhythm a ride out. Choman. Lyrics me use take. Yo.
I can't believe Big Stone, the man take with lyrics and take with me girl. You see all them things where my ass are going with, man. You see them things they are going with. That's why I'm saying, must bust, you know, man. You must bust, you know, because you can imagine take with a country man girl and no boss, yeah.
You need to visit that website.
The man go all the way a country, you know, man, and take a little girl, you know, man.
You need to come from country and go visit that website there. You need an extension.
So
you know why me take away a girl? Me see her in the dance and go on like she wicked. So me call her over. And I say, you think you can wind off this so with me?
Yo, you can't take care of man. Look how the man belly big, man. The man belly big like a sky juice, man. I come take with my girl, man. Look like me have got to practice some moonwalk now, you know, man. And do it like Michael Jackson, because it's some moonwalk. You make me have back my girl in a stone. Because I don't know my eyes are going out within a virgin. Everywhere the man go, the man take with people, girl, you know.
Go in, yeah.
Everywhere the man go, the man take with people, girl, you know.
No,
Myers, go on to know when you're going to make me have back my girl.
When you're going to back my girl?
You know. Me need back my girl, man. You going to send her back?
You know why? Whoa, this is the story about my life and this girl that was supposed to be my wife. I don't really believe in love at first sight, but from the moment I met her, I want her in my life. So I take her home to meet my mama, my brother, my sisters, also my papa. Mama said, son, take time to know her, but I didn't listen to my mama. Yo, no, mama, words are taunting me like a ghost, I can't even sleep. I know my life is a living hell. When I rebel, my neighbors call the police. No one knows what I'm going through and all the pain and the hurting inside of me. This no fake, no makeup, no fairy tale. No, it's just a natural reality. Woo! She wasn't the girl for me, but I was too blind to see I was madly in love with her, but she was in love with my money. I take up and treat her right, carrot and buy everything that's nice. After shopping, champagne popping, girl, didn't I treat her right? Until she meet that stranger, everything changed. Until this day, she stop cook, stop clean, nothing, not talk, now give me no more the wine. Let me ask her, how could I be so blind? Never said the devil in her eyes. She teach me wise, I realize, so girl, I'm letting you go. For all those heartaches and the pain, I'm letting you go. I know things will never be the same, but I'm letting you go.
So you can't take her.
I want to know your bad saying, Myers. Trust me, I want to know your bad saying.
Bad from
me here say, gun bad, knife bad, AIDS bad, syphilis bad, herpes bad, and bad mind bad. But me don't know how make you bad saying. I want to make you bad saying, man. I want to make you bad saying. You know, say you're too bad.
My bad cancer.
You're too bad, man. The way you're bad, not him face ragging off.
My bad cancer.
You're too bad, man. You see you? You're bad and you're too bad.
My bad would spell it 3D.